સિમેટ્રી એન્ડ ગ્રુપ થિયરીની અંદર યુનિટ 3 જે આપણો છે એની અંદર આપણો એક્ઝેક્ટલી સિલેબસ કંઈક આ પ્રકારનો છે. યુનિફાઈંગ પ્રિન્સિપલ ઓફ સ્પેક્ટ્રોસ્કોપી, બેઝિક સ્પેક્ટ્રોસ્કોપીની અંદર તો એમાં ઇલેક્ટ્રોમેગ્નેટિક રેડિયેશન છે, ઇન્ટરેક્શન ઓફ ઇલેક્ટ્રોમેગ્નેટિક રેડિયેશન વિથ મેટર, એબ્સોર્પ્શન, એમિશન, ટ્રાન્સમિશન, રિફ્લેક્શન, એ પ્રકારના જે ટોપિક છે એ આની અંદર જોવાના છે. તો એમાં બેઝિક્સ છે, રિક્વાયરમેન્ટ છે ટુ ધ પોઈન્ટ ઇન યુનિટ 3 404 પેપર. Electromagnetic radiation. What is electromagnetic radiation? In definition, electromagnetic radiation is a form of energy emitted and absorbed by charged particles which exhibit wave-like behavior as it travels through space. EMR has both. EMR, it means electromagnetic radiation. EMR has both electric and magnetic field components. EMR have a dual nature. Exhibiting both have wave and particle characters. So that wave model, that's frequency, wavelength, wave number and velocity. First of all, wave model. Maxwell in 1864 found that the electromagnetic radiation is made up to two mutually perpendicular synergially actually electric and magnetic fields. The planes of right angles to each other as a sine wave, electric and magnetic field vector are represented by E and B respectively. So electromagnetic radiation લાસ્ટ ટીવાયની બેઝિક રિક્વાયરમેન્ટ જે છે એ વસ્તુ આપણે અગાઉ પણ શીખી ગયેલા છીએ. સો દેટ કોલ્ડ ડિસ્ટન્સ મેગ્નેટિક ફિલ્ડ, ફ્રીક્વન્સી, વેવલેન્થ, વેલોસિટી in this figure. Frequency, so called an important aspect of nature of light is frequency. An important aspect of nature of light is frequency. The frequency of wave is its wave of oscillations and it's measured in hertz. The SI unit of frequency were on hertz. SI unit from this hertz is equal to 1 oscillations per second. 1 hertz is equal to 1 CPS. That CPS called CPS full form this cycle per second. Reflection called V is equal to C divided by lambda, where V is equal to frequency, V called frequency, C called velocity of light in measure 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter square, and lambda called wavelength. So that the wavelength definition. What mean by wavelength? A wave consists of successive throw and creates, and the distance between two adjacent creates of throw. It's called the wavelength. V is equal to C divided by D. That's V is called wave velocity divided by frequency. Extra, this is called lambda is equal to V divided by F. That called third number, wave number. Wave number is called, it is the number of waves in a length 1 centimeter. That's called K is equal to, that also called K is equal to 1 upon lambda. It is expressed in the unit centimeter meter inverse is called cohesion. That's called K. So V bar is equal to K. 1 kk is equal to 1000 K is equal to 1000 centimeter inverse. Velocity, it means wake. So called the velocity definition, the product of wavelength and frequency is equal to the velocity of the wave in the median. V is equal to D into V, that called V is equal to D divided by T. So D is called distance traveled and T is called time. Second one, quantum model. The quantum model explain electromagnetic radiation. Quantum model explain electromagnetic radiation consisting of the stream of energy packets called photons. The energy E of the photon is proportional of to frequency of radiation and is. So this called E is equal to hv, E is equal to hd lambda, or E is equal to hc v bar. So there are extra, where h is equal to Planck's constant. So that's the number called 6.626 into 10 raised to minus This figure study out and you now last year in TY, where H Planck constant is called number 6.626 into 10 raised to minus 34. They're called V is equal to frequency in second inverse, T is equal to wavelength in nanometer. This is basis requirement and only for definition and title this concept. The energy of a photon is called a quantum of energy. Radio, microwave, infrared, visible, ultraviolet, X-ray in this figure. Frequency measured in hertz, and this figure is 10 raised to 12, 10 raised to 8, 10 raised to 4, 10 raised to 15 in measure in negative and in measure in positive. Frequency in measure in hertz. Then the second one, important question is interaction of electromagnetic radiation with matter. It is well known all matter is comprised of atom. Matter is made up of mostly empty space. For example, consider the hydrogen atom with one proton, one neutron and one electron. For example, consider the hydrogen atom, neutron and electron. Hydrogen atom with one proton, one neutron and one electron, 1H1. That's called 1H1. The following points which are related with the interaction of electromagnetic radiation with matter. The direction of the incident beam of the light can be changed by reflection and electromagnetic radiation. Second one, a beam of light can be transformed into other beams by reflexed by double reflection and scattering method. If the scattering occurs, the scattering light में જે તમે લાસ્ટ ટાઈમ પ્રકાશ વિખેરણ જે શીખ્યા હતા એ વસ્તુ અહીંયા મેજર બતાવેલી છે. સો કોલ્ડ ઇફ ધ સ્કેટરિંગ ઓકર્સ ધ સ્કેટરિંગ લાઇટ may exhibit the same frequency as incident light. This type of scattering is referred to as ray light scattering. So the first point is called absorption spectrum, that called energy and that called high energy and that called photon. If a photon of frequency falls on a molecule in the ground state, that called ground state, and its energy, that's called energy state. Energy HV is exactly equal to the energy difference, that's called energy difference is equal to EM minus EN, ground state and higher ground different. The two molecular energy levels to a higher energy level due to absorption of the photon of energy HV, the spectrum thus obtained is known as absorption spectrum, and that's called. Second one thing is emissions. The emission is called if the molecule consider transitions from the exciting energy level, exciting energy, that's called exciting energy and that's called ground state energy. So the excited energy level to the group state with the emissions of the photon of energy HV, the spectrum thus obtained is known as emission spectrums. These excited species return to the ground state. They may emit radiation which as on passing through a person gives rise to a spectrum which is known as emission spectrums. Second, repeat this. These excited species return to the ground state. They may emit radiation which on passing through a person gives rise to a spectrum which is known as emission spectrum. Third one, transmission. Transmission in a medium may be considered as a stepwise process involving atoms, ions or molecule as intermediate. Repeat this. Transmission in a medium may be considered as a stepwise process. First of all, involving atoms, ions or molecule. Intermediate. The interaction which occurs during transmission may be due to alternating electrical field of radiation that causes oscillations of burst electron of the particles with respect to their fixed nucleophilic reaction. That second one, reflection. Reflection called reflection occurs when a beacon of radiation is allowed to cross an inference between media of different reflective index. That's called IR divided by IO is equal to N2 minus N1 square divided by N2 plus N1 square. And refraction. This phenomenon due to the difference in the velocity of the radiation in two media is called reflection. That's called sin theta 1 divided by sin theta 2 is equal to n2 divided by n1 is equal to v1 divided by v2, where v1 divided by v2, that's called v1 is called velocity of the radiation and v2 is also called velocity of the radiation. And second one thing, the variation or change in the reflective index of substitutions with the wavelength of the transmitted light is known as dispersions. Second, the variation or change in the reflective index of substance which wavelength of the transmitted light is known as depressions. That's called two types, normal and anormals. Normal depressions, it occur in that region in which our reflective index increase gradually with increasing frequency or decreasing wavelength. Second, this one repeat, it occur in that region in which the reflective increase gradually with increasing frequency or decreasing wavelength. That's called normal. And normal, that's opposite side. It occurs in that region in which a stark change in reflective index is observed. Anormal depressions, that reflective infrared frequency in hertz wavelength, in that's called. Next, second one thing, scattering. If the incoming radiant energy strikes upon particles which are suspended in a medium having reflective index different to that of suspended particle, the light which is transmitted at angles other than 180 degree from the insufficient incidence light is said to be scattering as the radiation passes through the same two-way. Scattering by molecule of molecule which dimensions smaller than wavelength of the radiation is called Rayleigh scattering. So scattering method that called extra polarizations. Polarizations is a property of waves that can oscillate with more than one orientations. Electromagnetic waves such as light and gravitational wave exhibit polarizations, and sound waves in a gas do not have polarizations because that medium vibrates only along the direction in which the wave of n traveling. Second one, electromagnetic waves such as light and gravitational waves exhibit polarization. Sound waves in a case do not have polarizations because that medium vibrates only along the direction in which the wave n traveling. Next, second one, uncertainty principle. The position and momentum of a particle cannot be simultaneously measured with arbitrarily high precisions. The mathematical expression for uncertainty principle, that's called delta x into delta p greater than h divided by 2 or h divided by 2 in counts. Delta E is equal to delta E into delta T, that's called greater than 1/2 h divided by 2 or counts in h divided by 2, where h is equal to Planck constant. And this is not statement about the inaccuracy of measurement in statement nor a reflection on the quality experimental methods. In specifically determined momentum in important steps on the way to understand the uncertainty principle are wave particle during the de Broglie hypothesis. That's called determined momentum.